Hi, I'm SM Rahmatullah, a graphic designer. You can see a poster on the screen that has been created following a few steps in Photoshop. At first, I took a canvas, the width and height of which are respectively 2100 pixel and 1500 pixel. Its color mode is RGB 8 bits. Fill color is white. Then using horizontal type tool, I have written a letter V. To change or reform it, we have to press Command and then click the thumbnail. To get out of the function, I pressed Command and D. Next, I have taken another text, big sale, over the V letter. After that, I have taken a layer. In this layer, using elliptical marquee tool, I have made a circle, a part of which is out of the canvas and another part of which is inside the canvas. Then I have taken another layer. In the layer, using rectangular marquee tool, I have taken a rectangular shape and then written a shop now text. I have also created a group of the elements of the layer 2. Next, I have taken another text 60% off over group 1. For text and image, auto layer is created automatically. Finally, I download a JPG image that was transformed into a PNG image using pen tool. That's all how I created a poster. You can also see a vintage logo. The logo has been created by using selection tool and direct selection tool. At first I have taken a rectangular shape and I have used direct selection tool to cut the rectangle. Then I have used image masking. By masking I have put the image in the rectangle. Okay, then I have also used object to path offset path in the creating the logo, in creating the logo. Okay, thank you.